Dr. Chris here at the Nerve Health Institute. We want to continue our mission to help people worldwide. So today I want to talk to you about something very, very important, especially nowadays in our world. It's breathing. So remember, what we do here is we reconnect. We have a method and in my office of finding your power from your brain and your spinal cord. That's your power company in your body to all your parts of your body. So today what we want to talk to you about is your diaphragm, connecting your brain to your diaphragm. Remember, your diaphragm is very responsible for getting air in and out of your body. And so examples of why you should do this exercise. If you find yourself not breathing during the day, if you find yourself snoring, if you find yourself maybe fatigued and not being able to get enough air in, obviously there's plenty of stuff out there, including now viruses, all these different things that can affect your lungs and lead you in a position where maybe your brain isn't as connected to your diaphragm as it should be. So for the purpose of today's discussion, we want to give you what to do at home. How can you help yourself without traveling maybe across the world to come and see us? And you certainly can do that, but we want to give you something that helps you at home. So very simple. The diaphragm is powered by 3 pair of cervical nerves back here, C3, C4, and C5. So C3 is a nerve back here on my left side that powers up the muscles that bend my head this way. So if I push here and hold resistance with my head into my hand, and then I hold my diaphragm, so I'm helping my brain restore power from my C3 nerve that goes to this muscle group, but also into my diaphragm. Then I'm going to go to the other side. Hold my diaphragm, hold my head. Good. Okay, so that's C3. C4 turns your head. So you want to hold this cheekbone here, turn your head into your hand, hold your diaphragm. Good. Cheekbone here. Hold, turn. Great. So that's C4. C5 holds your arm up here, goes to your deltoid. So you want to hold your arm up just like this, touch your diaphragm, and do. Good. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Touch your diaphragm, hold your arm up. Okay, great. So just that little bitty sequence I just did helped my brain restore power to my diaphragm. That should allow me to get air in easier. It's a simple exercise. You can do this throughout your day if you want. There's really no limitation in terms of how often you do it. Now, you don't want to sit here and do it and get so many breaths in to where you pass out, obviously. Or if you feel worse doing this, then obviously stop. But it should be something that makes you feel very, very good. It also makes your brain better power to your diaphragm, allowing you to get better oxygen, better air in and out of your body. And it overall helps your health. So I hope this helps you, and we will continue our mission to help people worldwide. Feel free to comment on any of our videos. If you have any questions or concerns, we'd be happy to answer any of those for you. Additionally, you can follow us on our social media sites like Facebook and Instagram and Twitter, all those at Nerve Health Institute. And feel free to also visit our website. It's nervehealth.com. You can also contact our office at 337-456-6555 if you're interested in coming to see us, or if you have something that's more concerning that may require additional help. And thanks so much for watching today. We really enjoyed trying to help you and your family.